Yes, the day of visitation has come. Pekuda means actually pay attention to what the person has done. Days of punishment have come. The days of payment, of recompense has come. Yeder Yisrael, then Yisrael will know. Evil Hanovi. This is what the false prophets used to say. Israel is invincible. The Israel will never give up to Israel. We are of course right. The Goyim are wrong, and so forth. And this is the false prophet. They predicted victory and peace once the days of Pekuda had come, the days of punishment, the days of recompense. Then Yeder Yisrael will know what? Evil Hanovi. Their Novi was a fool. Evil was a fool. Evil Hanovi. Meshuga is a ruach. The great scientist, the great thinker, the man of the spirit. He was Meshuga. He was insane. Al Rav Avon Kovarabu Maste was it goes on the day of Pekuda. Because the day of Pekuda has come for the multitude of your iniquities, the Rabo Mastebo, and the hatred, the enmity is great. Has to show the such a one between the Rabo Mastebo. Easton, Rabo Mastebo. Or we could say, if you wanted mild, make it a little temperate. Hatred of the enemies to be stored in the spirit. But this means the day comes and you see that all your false prophets, all your thinkers, all your the Risha Ruach, all were foolish. All thousands of books have been written, thousands articles, thousands speeches have been made, all about the victory, our cause, victory over the enemies, and it says regardless whether they keep the Torah or not. Now you see all this proven. It is wrong. And he talks about himself, maybe about himself, about his Chaver, the Tunavi.